let's do a quick market breakdown. This pair has been hitting the local range high here. I shorted there a bit. I want to see it move below the 0.65 before I'm comfortable sitting in the short. On the short term, I do expect a max retest of around this level before it continues down. The best case is anyhow something like that. Okay, let's go to gold. Well, gold has been missed. I just missed a little bit. As you can see, I have a pending order like right there and into this huge box here. It did a nice swing failure pattern here. Took the liquidity, the previous liquidity like there before the move down. Right now, what can I expect? Where I look to short, which is around this area here. I will look for a short in this area here. So it will be something like this right now. So let's see if we get it. SPX. It's actually right there. So as you guys know, and I don't know if you guys saw it, I had a pending order at 3427 in my previous updates regarding this pair. I've put it on the Fridays because I don't want to hold the open position Friday with Trump having COVID. So what do I expect on the short term? I will look for a short around this area here. Let's see if it get it. Something like this. Fast spike. Oh. Fast spike into it. Fall back down into the range. Continue down. And what range am I talking about? It will be like this range here. I expect a range to be made around this level. So any failure here with a tightest stop here, I will enter short to trade it back to the yearly open. That will be my first target. So let's clean up the chart a bit. I don't think this one is valid no more, so I will remove that one. So yeah, this one I removed too. This is short term what I'm looking for now. So I will still look for long if it trades back above here. Reclaim, tap the liquidity again, reclaim and go up. My entries will be there. I want to see a failure here first before I long, not earlier. Euro USD. I've been shorting these wicks up here. It's expanding nicely. So what do I expect? As mapped out, this is my swing plan. Created like right there. My first entry is here. Second entry there. So I want to see expand nicely down to this lows here. That will be my first take profit on this, and I will look for an compound trade here to trade a lower. Right now it's not confirmed yet if we go lower or not, so I want to see it move below the red. Short term, what do I expect? This area should reject right now. Something like this. Why look for compound? Not yet. I only look for compound short onto my adding on my position below the red. If I see any failure around the red, I will look for a short to trade it back to these lows, and that will be a scalp. So crypto, what we got for crypto? As you've been seeing, we finally had a very boring spike up to the marked red level. I expect a more finally like this one right here, what we have mapped out. So if I move it here, this spike should be, this spike here is the same spike as is here. And what do I expect in the short term? I won't enter position from here still, because it's still chopping between these two levels here, this one and this one. So I will remain neutral. If I see any bearish rejection around here, I may look for a short. Let me break it down more precisely, and it will be this level here. I want to see a failure around this level, something like that. Nibble can't be taken here, but I won't go heavy. I won't even go heavy below here. Everything between these two lines, the 1 week SR and the red line here, it's all scalps. No swing trades. Ethereum USD, what we got here. So let me remove this one first. It's totally invalidated, in my opinion, or not valid yet. So I expect a spike, it did not happen, so no trigger, no trade, right? As you guys all know. So what do I want to see? I will long still if it's reclaimed this one. This will be my trigger. Stop loss here. So let's mark down the closest liquidity area will be this one here. As you see, if I zoom in closely, the stops are being taken before the move down. So basically, if we are bearish, we should not move up there. If we do, I really think we're gonna push up higher. For now, I will still, okay, let's remove this one first. I will still wait for this move as map out for quite a long time already. I will enter here with a failure, with a manual stop above it, above these levels here. So if we got a short trigger here, I expect a slow grind down, lose a level, and start to expand lower impulsively. Well, any reclaim here, I do think we get above there. As you see, the liquidity here is as well being taken. So if we move above here, this stop is a little bit taken as well. So if you move above here, we're definitely going to tap here in my opinion, and we can expand all the way up till these levels here, and maybe even wick into the weekly level there, and from there on I will reevaluate. So that's it, guys. Make sure you follow me on my social media platforms to stay updated. I'm a bit busy lately, so I got quite a bit of errand to run. I will try to keep everything updated regarding my trading and yeah, and the charts and the price action. Stay tuned, guys.